Hey guys, welcome to TechZay Gaming. In this video, I'm going to do a speed test comparison between the Huawei Y9 2019 and the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Now I have made review of both of the devices here, so you can check them out from the description. Both of the devices here cost almost the same, so there shouldn't be much difference between them. Now let's come to the specifications. The Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 here has a Exynos 8845 chipset, which is a 14nm chipset, and on the other hand Huawei Y9 2019 here has a high silicon Kirin 710 chipset, which is a 12nm chipset. The lesser the nanometer number is the better. So on theory the Huawei should be better and faster than the Samsung. So let's do the practical test here, and yes, the other specifications are almost the same. With that being said, let's just get right into the video. This video was made possible by hello.com. They are a small shop in Tangail, so just check them out, and I have put the address and Facebook group link in description box below, so you can just go there and join the group. First of all, let's do the boot up test. And looks like Huawei here is the clear winner, and the 12nm chipset actually paid off. Now there is nothing running on the background on both of the devices. So the first app I'm going to open is the stock phone app. And looks like both of the devices opened the app at almost the same time, and I think Huawei was slightly faster than the Samsung. Now I'm going to open Play Store on both of the devices, and yes, both of them are connected on the same network. And looks like Huawei here is again the winner. Now I'm going to open the search bar, and they were almost the same on both of the devices, and A7 was kind of faster than the other one. Now I'm going to open some more apps that are not stock. Now first of all, let's start with CPU-Z. And looks like A7 2018 opened the app first, and there's not much difference on sliding them, so that's there. The next app I'm going to open is Share It. And looks like Huawei here has started to load faster, and the winner here is Huawei Y9. The next app I'm going to open is the camera app. And both of them started loading at the same time, but Huawei was slightly faster than the A7. Now I'm going to open Subway Surfer on both of the devices. And the Huawei here has already started loading. And the Huawei Y9 2019 is the clear winner. The next app I'm going to open here is Facebook, and looks like both of the devices opened the app at same time. The Huawei Y9 2019 here is way faster than the Samsung, and yes, the 12nm chipset actually paid off. So if you're looking for a faster phone, then Huawei Y9 2019 is the better option. So guys, this is it for today, and I'll catch you up in the next video.